How do we drive Irish motoring into a cleaner, greener future?
While we don't manufacture vehicles in Ireland, we all have a part to play in helping to reduce our emissions from transport and meet our climate change goals. The latest vehicle emission level is the Euro 6 standard, which is the cleanest technology currently available. Our national fleet has 2.2 million cars, of which just 28.5% meet that Euro 6 standard, and that fleet is getting older, with close to 1 million cars over 9 years of age. When a new car is purchased, a used car is usually traded in, with the trade-in going into the used car market. New car registrations over the past few years have declined as a result of Brexit and the fall in sterling. We have seen an increase in used cars imports coming in from the UK, which have negatively impacted on used car values in the domestic market, thus increasing the cost to change. 250,000 of these imports do not meet the latest EU emission standards, which proves hugely negative for Ireland for both climate change and air quality.
How can we reduce emissions, renew the national fleet and transition to zero-emission vehicles?
The new car market is facing a taxation change in January 2021, which will impact new car sales. A significant reduction in VRT would help to stimulate sales, resulting in cleaner, greener cars and reduced emissions. It will protect employment and business, and it will boost government revenues, whilst at the same time renewing our national car fleet. In January 2020, the government introduced a nitrogen oxide emissions, or NOx charge, which applies to new vehicles and imported vehicles. To prevent older imports flooding our market, there needs to be an increase in the NOx charge on cars that do not meet the current Euro 6 standard. Otherwise, Ireland will become a dumping ground for older imports. Electric vehicles represent 4% of the new car market. In order to transition to zero emissions, motorists and the industry must have certainty where incentives and supports are provided. The government needs to reintroduce funding to support company vehicles and invest in infrastructural changes to improve the electric car charging network. Our national car fleet will be a blended mix of technologies and will be for some years to come as we drive toward a cleaner, greener future.